Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Roblox not launching. To know how to fix or how to solve Roblox not launching, you should just go to settings, then you click apps, default apps, app settings. After that, here in this list, you'll search about this window of Roblox. When you find this list of app info, you will enter to first stop and you click OK. Then we go to click storage. Here in this page you will enter to clear cache, and in the end you can turn off your phone, and before that you can don't click here clear data because that's make a mistakes. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next